Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about simple inequality. Okay, I hope you are aware of the following symbols. You know, this symbol like greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and smaller than and equal or equal to, and then the last one is equal. So if you are aware of these symbols, then inequality is going to be easier to understand. So now let's go straight to the questions. So we have here x. Question 1 is x minus 1 is greater than 2. So what we're going to do here is, the first thing is, like, since we have here minus 1, so we're going to add minus 1 to both sides, like these sides, the left side and the right side, so that we get the value. So the next thing we're going to do here, we're going to say x minus 1, but then plus 1 is greater than 2 plus 1, because now we want to just add 1 to it, because to eliminate the value that we have here. So here at the end of it all, we have x is greater than 2 plus 1 will give us 3. So simplifying that, we've come now to a solution that x is greater than 3. And that's the solution. Okay. Now let's look at another one. So here we have x plus 3 is less than 8. Again, we have plus 3. So plus 3, if it crosses and come to the right side, it will be minus 3. So what we're going to do is minus 3 from both sides. So to rewrite this equation, we're going to say x plus 3 minus 3 is smaller than 8 minus 3. So in that case, now we know that 3 minus 3, a plus 3 minus 3 will give you 0. Okay, so then we go straight to say what is x. So sorry for that. We go straight and say x is lesser than, now what is 8 minus 3 will give us 5. So that one remains as our answer. How about C? Let's look at C. So in C, we have here 2x plus 3 is greater than 8. So in this case, again, we have plus 3. Now, in that case, when we have plus 3 for it, if it crosses the other side, it should be negative 3. So to rewrite this, we're going to say 2x plus 3 minus 3x is greater than 8 minus 3. At this juncture now, we know that plus 3 minus 3 will give us 0. So that we have here 2x is greater than 8. 8 minus 3 will give us 5. So for us to get the value of x, we have to divide both sides by 2. So in this case, we can say x is greater than 5 over 2. You can go further and just get it in decimal, or you can leave it at this. And you're done. Or you can go ahead and say x is greater than 2.5. So you just divide this one. So it's going to be x is greater than 2.5 if you want to leave it at decimal place, but still positive. Now let's do the last one, which is basically a third x. So this is like 1 over 3 x minus 2 is greater than 4. So in this case now, what we're going to do is we have minus 2 here. So that means we're going to add also on the right-hand side. So strictly, we're going to say here 1 over 3 x minus 2 plus 2 is greater than 4 plus 2. So that we know that minus 2 plus 2 will be 0. So here we have 1 over 3x is greater than 6. So for us to get the value of x, we want to multiply this side by 3 over 1 and multiply this side by 3 over 1. So in that case, so that 3 cancels, this one cancels. So we have here the value of x is greater than 18. If you think about this is 6 over 1 multiplied by 3 over 1. So then we have 18. That is all I wanted to share with you today. Thank you so much and bye-bye.